Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you use Chatgpt for resume and cover letter? Well, that's actually the easiest part, and you could absolutely ask Chatgpt this exact question. Okay, so let's try to search the Chatgpt here. So, what you need to do is just be absolutely specific about what sort of thing that you like ChatGPT to generate. Like this, for example, if I put this on a cover page, or what else? If it's a resume, it's really easy. You just type it all in here. It absolutely just generates everything off the bat here. So, as you can see, whatever I type in, let's just type it once more. So whatever I type in here is basically, it generates it all by itself because it's powered by AI. So let's say it's about an Epic of Gilgamesh, and just be specific like this one. So make it short, please. So you could absolutely be polite. A lot of people not polite on the app here. And so once you've generated whatever you like to be generated, just basically scroll down and click this one right here, copy, and you can just paste it on your resume or whatever. Okay, so that's just it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.